Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we will see how we can enable the autocorrection in iPhone. Also, I wonder why you want to enable the autocorrection in iPhone. It is because you are somebody who does a lot of spelling mistakes when writing. So you just want your mobile to autocorrect your spellings. Or maybe you're somebody who doesn't prefer the autocorrect because it changes the things that you have written. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you can enable autocorrect in your mobile phone. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to unlock your mobile phone, and after that you have to type a message, and there we will see if the autocorrect is on or not. In case you don't know what autocorrect is, so actually it is a function in your mobile phone which allows you to autocorrect the spelling mistakes if you have done when writing. So here as you can see when I'm writing, it is not showing any kind of mistakes because the spellings are correct. But if I write it again with the wrong spellings, it is not correcting it. That means the autocorrect is stopped. It's not on. So we will see how we can turn it on. So whenever we do a spelling mistake, it will make it correct on its own. We don't have to like erase it and then add new letters. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings of your mobile phone, and once the settings will open, on the search bar you have to search for keyboard. You just have to type few letters and then this option will pop up. After that, on the top as you can see, it says keyboard. That means the keyboard section is open and all these options are related to keyboards and related stuff. As you can see, this section, on the top of this section you can see first option which says auto correction. Right now it is turned off. If you click on it, it will be turned on. Right now as it is off, so whenever I do a spelling mistake it will not correct it. But if I turn it on through this option, and when I do a spelling mistake it will automatically corrects it. So here we will try if it works or not. So here as you can see, when I typed the wrong spelling it automatically corrected it. So I'll show you once again. In the next line I will try to write the letter source, but what I'll do is I'll enter the wrong spellings and it will do it on its own. It just turned the wrong spelling into the right one as you can see. So this is the benefit of autocorrection, that if you have enabled it, it will automatically correct your wrong spelled words. You don't have to like go back and remove its spelling and then enter it. It will automatically do it for you. But sometimes when you're not writing in English, you are typing in your native language in Roman English. So what it will do is it will again change its letter. But as you're writing in your own language, so the words are different in English. So what it will does, it thinks that this word is English and you have accidentally typed the wrong spellings. So it corrects it. So in this case, autocorrection irritates a lot. So if you are a person who uses another language than English, then I will suggest you to turn this option off. Through this option, you will be easily able to write whatever you want to write, and it will not irritate you by autocorrecting the letters. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable the autocorrection in iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.